One more, please. There, put it in fire. And now me and you destroy the next one. Because this one's pretty destroyable. Watch this. This is so awesome. And the next one. Oh god. Grab it. Wait, what's this?
They're very useful.
No, just grab it. Don't break it. Toss it. Yeah, we'll grab it later. What's up? Alright, watch this. Go. Giggity! Ah, yeah, you got it. I got this last piece. Ah! Yeah! 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 I'm gonna make it in the fire pit from here. Watch and learn. Oh, I missed.
Fail.
Are you recording?
Yes!
Yeah!
John said the right words.
What?
Yeah!
Come on, Parker.
I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel, even though it's sideways. Now it's upside down. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah! Oh! My stomach. Oh, my nuts. Alright, we're done with this one. Yeah. We're done. We're done. Alright, time to eat. Oh, my nuts. Are we eating sloppy?
Say goodbye.
This is why. Are we having sloppy? This is why you don't use.
We're having sloppy joes. Now say goodbye.
That's why you don't do that with trees.
Say goodbye to ABD.
Bye, everybody.